So now you just have to plug in the connector. As I said before, hopefully you can see this, there's a little notch right next to my thumb, and there's a corresponding notch right next to my forefinger over here, and then the two wires. You'll also see, and again, I don't know if the video is going to come out clear enough for you to see it, but there's a little arrow on each of the connectors. Those arrows need to line up and they need to be pushed straight together. So I'm going to try to set up the camera so you can see this. A lot of people struggle with this part. So I'm going to line up this arrow with this arrow, which lines up the notch in here and the slot in here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it like this. And then, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I'm going to line that notch up. I'm going to rotate it down so it's square and then push it together. And again, it's a tight fit. So that's something that you have to be careful of. And then you can peel